What up, guys? It's 7Demo7 here, and I'm just here to give you a couple of tips on how to go from one frame to another. Obviously, this is my 350QX. There's my old one, my old body, I should say, and here's my new one. This is an OPQ frame. I transferred over all of my electronics. You can kind of see here. You can see up there at the top, I have my GoPro mount. I have my compass over here on the side. If you can, this is the right side of the vehicle. And I want to let you guys know that make sure you keep, if you're switching things over, you keep this in the vertical orientation. I did have this previously mounted on top. I did all my accelerometer calibrations and whatnot, and started to fly it today, and man, things were really jumpy and out of control. So all I did was I stuck it back to the side, and things were okay. With this OPQ frame, you do need to drill out the motor holes. I went ahead and just used 2 bolt holes to start with. I just drilled them a little bit closer, by about a millimeter or so, and the motor mount right up. And here I've got my landing gear here. You can kind of see right in front. That is about 1.5 inches. It's called 1/4-20 nylon nuts. It's nice because they're nice and lightweight. And I'm going to get some new ones because they're not quite tall enough. When it comes time to mount my GoPro on here, that's going to be another issue because obviously these are not long enough. So right here you can see I've got my GPS receiver and my GPS antenna there. I have it slightly off center because I have my GoPro mount in the front here. Now I did take some video with it today, and really I kind of have to discount the video because it's not hard mounted and it's basically being held on by 2 zip ties, which isn't the best. So I got some shaky video today. That's probably not going to be a valid test of how stable the frame is. It's a very stable frame, which is really nice. Strong, it's virtually indestructible. And another cool thing is you can use pretty much whatever battery you want. Obviously you don't want to go too big because then all of a sudden things become very heavy. You can kind of see I've got my lights in here. Now these little LEDs, they're pretty bright when you're looking straight at them, but when they're pointed downwards, they're not bright at all. So one of the things you're going to have to take into consideration when you have a quad like this that's completely in an X formation is that orientation is really difficult. I have a really hard time seeing this thing, so I do have a headlight that I've had mounted up here in the front that I'm probably going to put back on, and it really helps with orientation because it is really tough to find the orientation of this thing. Let's see here, any other issues that I can think of here? The only thing I don't like about this OPQ frame is obviously it's not as cool looking as the 350QX. I really love the styling of the 350QX, and I come from a design background, and I really know just by looking at what they've done with the 350QX that there's a lot of design and thought that went into it. Unfortunately, the arms are not quite as stiff as I'd like them, but and I might actually throw all of my electronics back into here when I get my my gimbal, my brushless gimbal in. So gimbal, yeah, that's it. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a quick little overview of the quad. It's flying really nice. I had to do some accelerometer things today with it just because I was, like I said, the compass was a little messed up. But other than that, I'm really enjoying it. I did crash this once today, and I broke a B prop. I broke off both sides of it. Of course, it was from impact. It wasn't because it just self-destructed. And I was able to go into agility mode and do a triple flip. Not very controlled, but I was able to do it, and I flipped myself into return to home to help recover myself. But triple flip is pretty sweet, guys. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.